Hi, welcome to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Hubert and those are Tamiya sharp pointed side cutters. In today's video I will briefly review them. Before we start, I would like to invite you to my Instagram profile. You will find the materials unpublished on YouTube. Have a nice show! Tamiya 74123 is a high-end product, both in terms of price and quality. They cost about $30. They offer jewelry precision, but should only be used to cut thin plastic. They are packed in a plastic blister. Descriptions are in Japanese and English. For more technical people, information about the parameters of steel used in the production would be valuable, but it is not available on the box nor the manufacturer's website. It is a pity that Tamiya has not opted for cardboard packaging. In such an environmentally damaging industry, plastic should be abandoned whenever possible. The nippers are properly profiled and covered with rough, non-slip material. They fit in the hand regardless of whether we hold them with all the fingers or not. The range of motion is small and the pressure distribution is very smooth. Their length is 115 mm and weighs only 70 grams. Although the cutting part is made of hard and heavy steel, the product is very well balanced with properly placed center of gravity. Like all other Tamiya clippers, these also have the two cutting blades. You can buy single blade cutters in the price segment, but generally those are much more expensive. Tamiya blades are extremely sharp and precise. Their design allows cutting practically to the edge. Cutting with these pliers is pure pleasure. After the first element that was cut out of the frame, I wanted to start all of my postponed projects. Because I do modeling for pleasure and relaxation, and something like this only increases the joy of every moment spent with this hobby. And that's it for today's episode. Thank you for the time spent together. If you have any comments about the movie or questions about the product, feel free to ask in the comments section below. I also invite you to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.